Good evening, YouTube friends. This is Jim, back to you with another video. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. This is just going to be a short video. Well, today I was doing some drywalling, and you're looking for a good tip, hire somebody to do your drywalling. It's boring. So, this is their bedroom. Nothing special to look at. I couldn't do any drywalling there because I'm going to be covering those up. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to frame it in, and then just so I don't have any cold or leaking or anything coming in, I'm going to spray foam all the cracks and everything before I insulate it. So yeah, that's where the window's going to be. That one section there is going to be drywalled. It's only a 3x3 window, and that door is going on that wall. So I didn't do any drywalling over there yet. So basically, that's what we got going on. Put my third coat of sealer on the ceiling, varnish, and the ceiling looks good. I'm happy with that. So what we've decided to do is we're going to build a peninsula in the kitchen rather than have an island. So there's going to be basically there's going to be a stove there, countertop, fridge, and then there's going to be think about almost an 8 or 9 foot peninsula coming out. No, maybe 7 foot. Down that wall there, we're going to have some 4 feet of cupboards. Then we'll have our dining room table, or kitchen table, looking out over the lake. So that's it for today. I'm shutting her down. Gonna play some board games with my wife, maybe catch a movie. Kind of sucks that I've got 8.5 feet, well, not quite 8.5 feet. I didn't want to buy 10-foot drywall and hack it all up, so I got 8 foot, and I'm just going to run a piece across the bottom. I figured it's better to have a little piece across the bottom than up top, because if there's any flaws or whatever, then it won't look so bad. You won't see it. So here's my project for, I don't know when I'm going to get to this. It might be a while. Got a bunch of other things to do. This is going to be our propane heater. It's 20,000 BTUs, and there's the instructions for it. And it's going to go right back here on this wall. So yeah, that's a project for another day. So yeah, we're not doing anything else today. So anyways, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you in the next video.